have a structural imbalance.
The Office of Public Accountability's latest audit raises concerns about the Department of Administration's failure to set aside funds in a trust fund to pay tax refunds, as required by law.
But it actually specifically states that they should not be commingling these funds. And so what was happening procedurally is that as soon as the income tax funds come in, they go straight into the general fund, when in reality it should the set-aside should have gone directly into the trust fund, and that wasn't happening.
But it's been no secret that the Department of Administration has not been following the law that requires payments be set aside into that tax refund trust fund. DOA Administrator Benita Manglona has acknowledged that fact publicly on a number of occasions since she came into office at the start of this year. Is there any surprise to you in this audit?
No, Kevin, I've been saying all along since we came into office that we need to do something about the structural imbalance of the government.
I mean, there's a violation of law that you've noted, but there's no penalty for violating the law.
Right, there's nothing
cited. So we recommend that they assign someone to monitor and ensure compliance, but, at least procedurally to put that money into the account. But the DOA has stated they're still going to have to struggle with the cash availability.
We have been paying the 2009 and prior, so that the set aside for 2011 was being used.
So nothing's been set aside for 2011 yet?
Nothing, because we were paying 2009 and prior.
But the scope of what is still owed is of concern, even though this recent bond issue allowed for the payout of $198 million. $127.6 million is still owed to island taxpayers, and that liability is growing.
They have been ongoing for many years, overestimating revenues. Unfortunately, what happens is they would estimate revenues, but that's not actually the amount of cash that comes in. And then to top it off, they have the issue with overspending.
The audit warns that overestimating anticipated revenues and expending beyond appropriations continue to fuel GovGuam's penchant to live beyond its means.
The revenues are estimated by, one, the administration itself estimates the revenues, but also the legislature will pass it. So collectively, both bodies need to work together.
Kevin Kerrigan, PNC News.